I look back at it now, and to me it was almost an experiment. I got out of the lab, and it's still running. Yeah, our first office was in the loft of an apartment that we rented, and we were basically saying, all right, we started a company. We ended up moving into more significant space. But it's interesting, even at that point, we moved into an office building and right on Meridian Street. And as we grew, we basically just started, we'd have the owners come in with basically a Sawzall, and they'd cut through a wall, and we would just take the next space that was available right next door. And so if you ever look at the layout of the office, it was a maze of different little offices. Well, here's a design for one of our first cards. Quite frankly, as a 25-year-old, and I was actually the most experienced person in the company at the time, didn't have any business experience. I was going through the Yellow Pages, and I was calling companies from the Yellow Pages, asking, does your company use computer software? Do you need someone to develop that for you? And we also wondered what would happen if engineers were running a company as opposed to maybe an MBA or finance person.
Wow.
I have never got up and hated coming to work. So there's never been a day I've hated my job.
Ooh. 2, 4, 5. We need one more.
It's not just cards at lunch. They do a lot of other events. We go to Indians games. We go, for Christmas, we went to Yuletide celebration downtown.
That's been basically the core foundation of the company. Being able to concentrate on our craft, concentrating on the customers, on the employees.
We haven't based things on numbers. We want to be 100 employees. We want to make $80 million. We want to do the best that we can, and we want to grow at the right level.
We look for 3 things: smart, fit, and get things done.
They have to have a passion for what we're doing. They have to enjoy it. Coming to work shouldn't be a chore. Right? So we want to find people that fit into our culture, into our work style, and so on. We do some pretty stringent auditioning. We put people at a whiteboard. We give them very difficult problems, and they have to solve on their feet at a whiteboard with us picking away at them. We have to see what they've got, see if they can handle themselves under pressure. You mentioned that we're casual or seemingly very informal, and we generally can be as long as everybody can pull their weight.
People get things done. I mean, it's very much, people know what's expected of them and they do it.
A lot of the things that I do, I'm on the same level with all the other engineers on my project, and my input actually matters. There's a lot more than just sitting in front of a computer and writing the software.
It's always been very employee focused. We've never been just about let's make more money. We've always been about taking care of a client, taking care of our employees.
We don't work for companies, we work for people. I work for my current client, or I work for, I work with a person, and so it's developing that relationship and building that, and you do that through professional, I think ultimately through a professional quality.
Now is the time to finally live up to our name. Software engineering, yes, that's our practice. That's something we're going to be crafting or working on practicing for the rest of our careers. But on the professional side, being more professional about the way we manage projects, the way we manage the company. So it's really a bright future. I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to happen.